I want to apologize here for my voice not being in sync with the video. Hey guys, how you doing today? Just letting you know that I finally got some parts in the mail today. GetLoweredCycles.com. They sent me my headlight bracket that I need to install my T-Sport fairing, which is in that box right there. Let's get this rolling. GetLoweredCycles.com. Check them out. Let's see what this looks like over here. Oh yeah. There it is. And the letter. My dope. Alrighty, so here's the fairing. We're going to, I got it just all put together kind of loosely, but that's how it's going to go together. It comes with no instructions. But as you can see, these little brackets that come with it, just, I don't know exactly what it adjusts, but whatever. But I'm going to take this part out of here and attach it directly under the top trees. I'm going to loosen those bolts, get that bracket to slide in, tighten them back down, and also I put this together, but that's going to come back out so that this other bracket that goes underneath goes under here like so. I'm going to try something here. That bracket right here. I don't want to scratch this or anything. Stay. This top bracket right here, when it came from the factory, it was bolted onto these little holes right there. What I'm going to try to do is put it on this hole right here, which brings it closer to the, well, it'll bring this bracket closer to the bike, because I don't like that gap right there, because that's like barely hanging on. So we're going to try that. See how it works. Alrighty, so of course we come into problems, right? Installing the fairing. Those brackets actually go on top of the trees facing up, not like it came from the factory, and it slides on to there, at least for this 2015 Street Bob. I don't want to take it out right now because that just slides on and slides out. But in order to get this look, everything's loose, and to get it to fasten, right, I can fasten it to the extension block, but I got a gap. So now I gotta go to the hardware store, get a bolt and a spacer, and that should take care of the issue.